Hello friends, my name is Shivangi Valimbe. Yesterday I did my Usui Reiki level 2 with Kirti Kamdar. So first time when I met her, I had an instant connection with her and she encouraged me to do level 1 of Usui Reiki. So 2 months back we finished that and I was continuously doing it for on regular basis, and it has helped me a lot with my own personal problems, for self healing, also for healing of others who need it. And yesterday we finished second level Usui Reiki with symbols, and she explained it very well, and we are very happy that we did this workshop, and I'm going to continue it throughout, and I feel energetic and blessed, and really Kirti Kalaji is blessed by divine. All of you who are right now watching this video must try Usui Reiki for self-healing. Thank you. Bye.
Namaste. I did Reiki level 2 with Kirti ji and I really resonated with the practice. I could feel the energy very powerfully and I look forward to healing the world through this practice. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Feeling truly blessed.